Look, something big just dropped. The Department of Justice has officially said it's preparing to ask Interpol to issue a red notice against none other than Atty Roque, the former presidential spokesperson, now facing serious legal heat both at home and abroad. So what does this actually mean? A red notice isn't technically an international arrest warrant, but in practice, it's very close. It's a global alert issued by Interpol to law enforcement agencies around the world. It asks them to locate and provisionally arrest a person pending extradition. So if Roque travels through any country that cooperates with Interpol, and most countries do, he could be arrested on the spot. DOJ Undersecretary Nicholas Tai confirmed in an interview that they're moving forward with this. The application will be filed in the coming weeks. Once that's in place, the pressure on Roque intensifies, and not just legally, but diplomatically and personally. There's also the matter of his Philippine passport. With a red notice on the table, the Department of Foreign Affairs could move to cancel it. Why? Because restricting travel is a key step in ensuring he doesn't continue to evade the reach of justice. Without a valid passport, his movements are limited. He's stuck, possibly facing detention if he crosses borders without proper documents. And here's something even more telling. Roque has reportedly already applied for asylum in the Netherlands. Let that sink in. The man who once defended the Philippine justice system now wants protection from another government, citing fears of persecution. But is it persecution or is it prosecution? Because, let's be clear, this isn't about political noise. This is about a real, active legal case. A court in Angeles City, Pampanga, has issued an arrest warrant against Roque and others in connection with human trafficking charges. These stem from alleged involvement in the operations of a Philippine offshore gaming operator, or POGO hub, in Porac. That's not just speculation anymore. That's a formal charge from a regional trial court. He keeps saying he's not hiding. He goes on interviews. He mocks the justice system. He says he's just in the Netherlands. But when it comes to facing Philippine courts or congressional investigations, silence, absence, excuses. This is the same man who used to champion the idea that the president should be tried in the Philippines, not in The Hague. He claimed to be an expert in international law, a specialist in ICC proceedings. But when the tables turned, when his name surfaced in connection with these new allegations, he didn't walk into court, he walked out of the country. Let's not forget, he refused to appear in congressional hearings. He ignored formal summons. He called out the credibility of Philippine institutions while waving around his credentials as a lawyer. But here's the truth. If you are truly innocent, if you truly believe in the rule of law, you face the process. You don't flee it. This move to seek a red notice isn't just a legal step, it's a statement that the Philippines, for all its flaws, is still trying to hold powerful figures accountable, that even those once close to power cannot escape the consequences forever. And yet, he continues to paint himself as the victim. The irony, a former officer of the law, now running from it. It's a story we've seen before, but this time, the stakes are international. The question now is, will the global community cooperate? Will the Netherlands approve his asylum? Or will justice finally catch up? Stay sharp, Pilipinas. Don't get blinded by titles, positions, or legal theatrics. This is a battle between truth and spin, between accountability and arrogance. This has been ang Kampanero, tinik ng katotohanan, tunog ng kasaysayan. Keep watching, keep questioning, and never stop seeking the truth.